Yo, what's up everybody? It's Inspirey Rise and we're back again with another video diving deep into the world of AI. Think about it, ChatGPT writing essays in seconds, self-driving cars, robots running warehouses. But here's the thing, with all this advancement comes a big question. What does it mean for our jobs? That's what we're breaking down today. Which jobs are safe, which ones are on thin ice, and how you can stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this AI-powered world. So buckle up, smash that like button, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with a category already feeling the heat from AI data entry and clerical work. AI-powered software can process information way faster and more accurately than any human ever could. Think about it, robots don't need coffee breaks, they don't get bored, and they definitely don't complain about the printer being jammed again. I'm talking about software that can take mountains of data, organize it, analyze it, and spit out reports in the blink of an eye. So, if your job involves a lot of repetitive data entry, scheduling, or basic bookkeeping, it's time to start thinking about your next move. Because, let's be real, would you rather compete with a robot that can work non-stop for pennies on the dollar? Didn't think so. But hey, don't freak out just yet. This isn't the end of the world. It just means it's time to level up your skills and find something that requires a little more of that human touch. Next up, we've got customer support and call centers. AI-powered chatbots are taking over the customer service world, and honestly they're getting scarily good at it. These bots can handle basic inquiries, answer frequently asked questions, and even resolve simple issues. All without breaking a sweat. And the best part, they're available 24/7, they don't need bathroom breaks, and they're never in a bad mood. No more waiting on hold, no more dealing with frustrated customers, just instant, efficient service. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about those really complex issues that require a human touch? Well, here's the thing, even for those situations, AI can be a huge help. Imagine AI systems that can analyze customer data, identify potential problems before they even arise, and even provide customer service reps with personalized scripts and solutions in real time. So if you're working in a call center or a customer support role, it's time to start thinking about how you can adapt to this changing landscape. Maybe it's learning new skills, specializing in a particular area, or even moving into a more strategic role within the customer service department. Okay, let's talk about factories and warehouses, places that were once bustling with human activity, but are now becoming increasingly automated. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are leading the charge here, using robots and advanced automation to streamline their operations and boost efficiency. And I'm not just talking about simple robots that move boxes around, I'm talking about sophisticated machines that can pick and pack orders, manage inventory, and even perform quality control checks. These robots are connected to a central AI system that optimizes their every move, making sure they're working at peak efficiency 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, I know what you're thinking, but those robots are going to take our jobs. And yeah, there's definitely a chance of that happening, especially for jobs that involve repetitive manual labor. But here's the thing, this shift towards automation also creates new opportunities. We're going to need people to design, build, program, and maintain these robots. So, if you're working in a factory or warehouse, it's time to start thinking about how you can adapt to this changing landscape. Alright, let's be real, we've all been to the grocery store and seen the self-checkout lines getting longer and longer. It's like people are choosing robots over human interaction these days. But can you blame them? Self-checkout is fast, efficient, and you don't have to make awkward small talk with the cashier. AI-powered cash registers and self-checkout kiosks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, able to handle more complex transactions, identify products with incredible accuracy, and even prevent theft. And then there's Amazon Go stores where you literally just walk in, grab what you need, and walk out. No cashiers, no lines, no hassle. So what does this mean for the future of retail cashiers? Well, it's not looking good, to be honest. As AI technology continues to advance, it's only a matter of time before these automated systems become even more prevalent, potentially displacing millions of retail workers around the world. But hey, don't despair just yet. There are still plenty of opportunities in the retail industry, especially for people who are willing to adapt and embrace new technologies. Okay, let's talk about writing, specifically, the kind of writing that pays the bills. I'm talking about blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, social media updates, you know, the stuff that every business needs but nobody wants to pay top dollar for. Well, guess what? AI is coming for those writing gigs too. Tools like ChatGPT can churn out surprisingly coherent and engaging content in seconds. All you have to do is give it a topic and a few keywords. It's like having an army of robot writers at your beck and call, ready to crank out content 24/7. Now I know what you're thinking, but AI can't replace human creativity, right? And you're right, to a certain extent. AI can't replicate the nuances of human language, the emotional depth of a well-crafted story, or the sheer brilliance of a truly original idea. But here's the thing. Most businesses don't need Shakespearean sonnets or Pulitzer Prize-winning novels. They need clear, concise, and engaging content that ranks well on Google and converts readers into customers. Okay, let's talk about the jobs that are actually being by the AI revolution. I'm talking about the tech wizards, the code whisperers, the AI architects who are building the future, one line of code at a time. These are the people who are developing the algorithms, training the neural networks, and designing the interfaces that are powering the AI revolution. They're the ones who are making sure these systems are accurate, efficient, and ethically sound. And guess what? The demand for these skills is only going to increase in the coming years. We're talking about massive growth in fields like AI development, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, and software engineering. These are the jobs of the future, and they're not going away anytime soon. So, if you're passionate about technology, if you love solving complex problems, and if you're not afraid of a little hard work, then this is the industry for you. Let's talk about healthcare, a field that's near and dear to all of us. Now, AI is already making waves in the medical world, from diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy to assisting surgeons in the operating room. But here's the thing, AI is not here to replace doctors, nurses, or other healthcare professionals. Instead, AI is here to augment their skills, to provide them with the tools and information they need to make better, faster, and more informed decisions. Imagine AI systems that can analyze medical images, identify potential problems, and even suggest treatment options, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human doctor. That's the power of AI in healthcare. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them to do what they do best, which is care for their patients. The future of healthcare will be a collaboration between humans and AI, each playing to their strengths. Alright, let's talk about those hands-on jobs, the ones that require real-world skills and expertise. I'm talking about electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters, welders, the people who keep our world running smoothly. Now you might be thinking, AI is taking over everything. Surely these jobs are at risk too, right? Well, not so fast. While AI is great at crunching numbers, writing code, and automating repetitive tasks, it's not so good at dealing with the unpredictable nature of the physical world. You can't just program a robot to fix a leaky faucet or rewire a house. These jobs require critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a deep understanding of how things work in the real world. So if you're a skilled tradesperson, you can rest assured that your job is safe, at least for the foreseeable future. Okay, let's talk about creativity, the realm of artists, writers, musicians, filmmakers, and other creative souls. Now AI is already making its mark in the creative world, generating music, painting pictures, and even writing scripts. But here's the thing. AI can only imitate, it can't truly create. It can analyze existing data, identify patterns, and produce works that are technically proficient, but it can't replicate the spark of human imagination, the raw emotion, the unique perspective that makes art so compelling. So if you're a creative professional, don't fret, your job is safe. The world will always need artists, storytellers, and dreamers who can challenge our perceptions, evoke our emotions, and inspire us with their vision. The future of creativity will be a collaboration between humans and AI, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Alright, let's talk about the leaders, the innovators, the changemakers who are shaping the future. I'm talking about entrepreneurs, CEOs, managers, and anyone else who's brave enough to take risks, challenge the status quo, and build something new. Now, AI can be a powerful tool for leaders, providing them with data-driven insights, automating tasks, and helping them make more informed decisions. But here's the thing, AI can't replace the human element of leadership. It can't replicate the vision, the charisma, the empathy, and the ability to inspire others that are essential for effective leadership. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or leader, don't let the rise of AI deter you. The world needs your creativity, your vision, and your leadership more than ever. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of work in the age of AI. It's a future full of both challenges and opportunities. A future where humans and AI will need to learn to coexist and collaborate. The key to thriving in this new world is to be adaptable, to embrace lifelong learning, and to focus on developing skills that are uniquely human. Because at the end of the day, it's not about man versus machine, it's about man-machine. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll be exploring the future of topic of next video. Peace out.